Hey everybody, Will, just in time prepping. Hey, this morning I want to talk to you. It's going to be kind of a short video, but something that's pretty important if you're going to be caring about the Second Amendment or anything like that. And before I go monetized and all that, I should probably get this out of the way so YouTube doesn't get me in trouble. You know how they are. But even though you carry your firearm and you don't fire it, it still collects dirt and grime from being in your holster all the time. Anybody that holds a firearm, I'm going to move the camera, hold on. Anybody that carries a firearm knows that it collects lint and dirt and dust and stuff inside of it, even though you're walking and talking and everything. So it's important that from time to time you get the gun out, you look at it and inspect it, and that you clean it up a little bit so that it doesn't get any dirt or anything in the firing mechanisms or anything like that, and everything works properly. So we're going to kind of talk about that, and I'm going to show you, this is my pistol, and it's clear. That's why I have the slide back to show y'all. It's just clear. I took the clip out even. The clip is right here loaded, but it's not in the gun. So what I do is I visually look at it. I have a rag here, and I usually wipe down the outside of it. Here, let me get it down here where you guys can see a little bit. You don't need to really see me, but yeah, I usually wipe it down, make sure all the dirt and stuff's off the outside of it. And then I will go ahead and release this and go ahead and pull it all the way back so I can get that one pin out that disassembles it. There we go. There we go. And it's right here. Most guns are all standard. They have a pin that will pull. You pull out and it just kind of allows you to slide the barrel off of it so that you can do visual inspections of the inside of it, and also you can clean it up a little bit and put some gun re-oil it, because it just kind of dries out just after from sitting around. So this is actually the barrel right here, and so what I'll do is I'll take this little, I can't remember what the heck they call it, but it's what holds the barrel in place under tension. And I'll take it out and I'll clean it up real good. And I just take a rag and I just kind of wipe it off a little bit, because it doesn't really do anything except hold the barrel in place. So I get that all cleaned up first. Then I'll visually look at, I'll take the barrel out, which I have a Sig Sauer, and I bought it, one of the reasons I bought it was for the ease of disassembling it and reassembling it. So you can take this out simply by sliding it forward a little bit. This is the barrel, by the way, and this is the slide. So we're just mainly doing a maintenance check on it today, and we're going to make sure that it's clean. We're going to put a little dab of oil in there and swab it out real good. Make sure that no dirt or dust is in the barrel. Have it right here. These are little swabs that go through the barrel. So, special tool. You guys all know this. Not gonna treat you like dummies. So we're just gonna do this real fast. It's just my maintenance. Make sure the gun's good condition. Yeah, it's still pretty clean. Then I'm just gonna take a little dab of oil. I use Hops. Most people do use Hops, but there's other brands out there, so yeah, it's in there pretty good, huh? I cut my fingernails just so I have to find some way to get the hell out of there. There we go. What did I do? Shove it way down in there? Of course I did. Huh. Let me find a way to pull it up. There I go. I got it out of there. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it on the cloth. A couple of drops is all you need. And you're gonna run that back through the barrel. And that just re-lubricates the barrel and takes out any debris that's in there. And I'm gonna set that off to the side while we work on the slide. I'm gonna take the slide and I'm gonna use the same oiled rag to kind of clean it up. So I'm really gonna take it apart from the rod. I'm gonna use it like this, like a swab. And I'm gonna just re-oil everything, make sure everything's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna do this video before I can go ahead and be monetized. I'm getting really close, so it won't be monetized. It'll just be for you guys to know what's going on. Yeah, it was a little dirt in this part. I haven't even fired the gun at least a month. But that's why you do this. It's preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a good thing. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put the barrel back in. And just like that, it goes in now. It's pretty easy. That's why you have that retention spring, which is right here. It goes in that little hole at the top, and you just pull it forward till it goes in there. It's like that. Now the barrel can't come out. It's in place. And then we're going to come to the gun part where the trigger mechanism is. I have a little decocker on mine. Not all of them have them, but that's just the way it is. I'll pull it back and make sure it works. Okay, and then I will just go ahead and use a swab. I'm going to put a little bit of lube in there, or solvent, I'm sorry, just to clean everything up. Make sure it's A-okay. There we go. Doesn't take a lot. It just ensures everything's going to be A-okay in there. There we go. You can see just from sitting in the gun holster and stuff, it does get dirty. It's the dirt and grime, you know, just from laying around. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to take the rag and go in behind it. Clean all that oil up. Solvent. Get it all out of there. There we go. Something like that. And then I'm going to just take a little dab of that oil and put back in there. And I just drop it in there. I don't do anything fancy like these other guys do. I'm not a big gun guy, but I believe in protecting my family. So anywhere where it works, you should just put a drop of oil and let it work its way in there. Scared the shit out of myself. Then down there where the trigger is, I'm gonna just put a little drop in there. Okay, now it's all back together. I'm gonna pull this back so it slide back together easily. And you can tell from back because I have the night sights on there, so you know exactly how to slide it back in place. Just like that. And take the little pin, start it in there, not all the way because it won't go until you pull the slide back. I have to take that out. back. Put this back in. Oh. It's been a while. Whoa! We're flying. That's because this piece here was not in place. There we go. Now, I'm going to start the pin, but I'm not going to put it all the way in. This is how I do it. Now it'll go back in there. There we go. Just like that. Then you just let that oil get in there and you're ready to go. Make sure you take the rag and clean all the oil off of the gun. Keeps it from getting oil, rust and whatnot on it. Always good to keep your gun in good working shape. It's like that. We're done. Gun's been, maintenance has been done on the gun. That's what I have for you for today. Hey, don't forget, today's the 3rd. Got, let me get this back up here. You've got today and tomorrow to get in that electronic raffle. Go into the library and get that EDG video and bring it up and see how you get your electronic ticket. Tickets are $1. You go in through my PayPal account to pay that. And that's how I can tell the money goes to the what person, because it tells me on PayPal. Tomorrow night, 5 o'clock, I will take all the chances, all the money, and I'll divvy it up into tickets. And then on the 5th at, let's say 5 o'clock on the 5th, I will have a live broadcast and we will draw the winner of the multi-tool sheath. And one lucky person is going to win it. And so if you haven't got your tickets yet, you want to go get them. Because we're right down to the deadline on that, and somebody's going to win it. And then get it in the mail. So if you want to get that multi-tool sheath and flashlight combination, you need to go see that video and do what it says to get into my PayPal account. And if you don't want it, just remember it makes a good gift for your son or nephew, or even, I don't know, some girls get in that stuff. So if you know, it makes a great gift. So that's what I got for you for today, and hope you learned how to do the maintenance on your pistol. And even if you don't have a pistol, you know what to do when you get one. So that's what I got for you. You guys know I love you. I couldn't do it without you. And God bless you. God bless me. God bless the US of A. Thanks for showing up.